So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add highlights on Instagram without uploading the story. Now that's a quick trick that you can use to simply do that. Simply open the Instagram, and for example this is the story that I want to upload. Now simply all you need to do is to just simply first upload the image, first upload the story, and now simply again click on the story, and you simply need to archive the story once it gets uploaded. Now simply click on this option of archive once it gets uploaded. Now the story is removed from your the story is removed from the story section. Now simply go to the settings and hit on the archive right there, and here you'll see the story archive. Simply tap over there, and here on the bottom of the screen you'll see this option of highlight. Simply tap over there, add the name of the highlight, and you can simply now add this as a highlight on your profile. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.